In the rapidly evolving world of innovation and creativity, the utilization of 3D printing technology has witnessed a notable surge. For those venturing into the realm of 3D printing in 2024, selecting the appropriate filament is paramount in attaining prints of superior quality. With the availability of user-friendly PLA for creative experimentation and durable PETG for functional prints, the market offers a plethora of filament options that can sometimes overwhelm beginners. If you're a beginner looking to invest in a 3D printer, but need help deciding which filament to choose, don't worry. You've come to the perfect place. We have listed the best 3D printer filament for beginners in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each 3D printer filament in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the SUNLU 3D Printer Multicolor Filament. The SUNLU 3D Printer Multicolor Filament is the ultimate all-in-one solution for beginners who venture into the world of 3D printing in 2024. This filament bundle showcases a total weight of 2 kilograms, encompassing 8 spools with 8 vibrant colors like black, white, blue, green, red, orange, yellow, and pink. It serves as the ideal starter pack, which allows creators to infuse their designs with a burst of vibrant hues. It combines the user-friendliness of PLA with the durability and strength of ABS. With a filament diameter of 1.75 mm and an impressive +/0.02 mm accuracy, it offers broad compatibility with most 1.75 mm FDM 3D printers. The compact size of each spool makes it incredibly convenient to store and manage. The SUNLU prioritizes filament winding, which ensures a 100% neat rate with their self-developed winding device that ensures easy feeding of the filament into your 3D printer without any tangling issues. For a seamless printing experience, SUNLU recommends using nozzle temperatures ranging from 200 and 2250 degrees Celsius, a bed temperature of 75-85 degrees Celsius, and a printing speed of 5100 mm/. Whether you're creating functional prototypes or artistic masterpieces, this filament bundle offers you a wide array of colors, which makes it the ideal choice for 3D printing beginners in 2024. If you're interested in this multicolor 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the DRE-ETINO 3D Printer Filament. If you're a beginner venturing into the captivating realm of 3D printing, the DRE-ETINO 3D Printer Filament is the perfect companion for 2024 and beyond. This filament surpasses expectations that ensure a seamless and fulfilling 3D printing journey. Each roll contains a generous 0.55 pounds of filament, ensuring an abundant supply for materializing your innovative ideas. With a captivating range of hues from vibrant blues to radiant reds and soothing pastels, your creativity will know no bounds. The filament has been meticulously designed to ensure it is completely odorless and eliminate any unpleasant fumes that may arise during the printing process. Not only that, but it is also clog-free and bubble-free, which makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. Its precise 1.75 mm diameter and a tolerance of +/0.03 mm ensures seamless integration with the majority of FDM 3D printers available in the market. As a beginner, you'll greatly appreciate this filament's ease of use, which makes your learning curve less steep. Its user-friendly design and intuitive features ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Whether crafting intricate prototypes or unleashing your creativity in artistic creations, this filament ensures outstanding results every time that bring your ideas to life with impeccable precision and quality. If you're interested in this 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the DO 3D 1.75 mm PLA 3D Printer Filament. When it comes to the best 3D printer filament for beginners in 2024, the DO 3D 1.75 mm PLA filament stands out as an exceptional choice. This filament is meticulously crafted from 100% new raw materials, ensuring flawless prints without imperfections like bubbles, jams, or warping. With its consistent diameter of 1.75 mm, It is compatible with the majority of FDM, 3D printers, and 3D printing pens available on the market, which ensures effortless and trouble-free printing. With a suggested printing temperature of 210 and a heat bed range of 30 to 60, or no heat bed required, this printer is suitable for various printing projects. For optimal results, it is recommended to use a new 0.4 mm plus size 3D printer nozzle. The Do 3D goes the extra mile to ensure a smooth and stable printing experience. The servo control system and clog-free production line of their filament ensure a 100% tangle-free experience during printing that makes it hassle-free for you. Each spool of Do 3D PLA filament is vacuum sealed to maintain its quality. With a net weight of 0.25 kilograms per spool and a bundle of 5 spools, totaling 1.25 kilograms, you receive a fantastic value package that's perfect for 3D printing enthusiasts. It also offers a wide range of colors and effects, allowing you to explore and create easily. If you're interested in this filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Magic PLA 3D Printer Filament. The Magic PLA 3D Printer Filament is an optimistic and versatile choice for beginners venturing into the fascinating world of 3D printing in 2024. It boasts not only optimism and versatility, but also precision and innovation. This filament offers a remarkable color-changing effect that elevates your creations beyond the ordinary. With seamlessly blended colors, your prints will showcase vibrant hues on both sides, adding an artistic flair to your designs. With a diameter of 1.75 millimeters and an impressive precision of +/0.02 millimeters, it is compatible with a wide range of FDM, 3D printers and pens, like popular models like Creality 3D, Combro Creality Ender, NLYCUBIC, SUNLU, ELEGOO, VoxLab, ARYONE, and MYNT 3D printing becomes a breeze with recommended temperatures ranging from 180 to 200 and speeds of 30-50 mm/. Moreover, it is hot bed friendly, supporting temperatures up to 55. This filament is truly exceptional and combines an eco-PLA base with 4 captivating silk colors: Magic PLA Van Gogh Green, Magic PLA Vintage Gold, Magic PLA Mineral Gold, and Magic PLA Cosmic Black. The filament's unique composition, featuring 4032D raw material imported from the USA, ensures impressive strength and durability. Say goodbye to common 3D printing challenges. No more bubbles, jams, or warping to worry about. If you're interested in this color filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Gizmo Dorks PLA Filament for 3D Printer. The Gizmo Dorks PLA Filament for 3D Printer has established itself as a top choice in 2024 for beginners venturing into the captivating realm of 3D printing. This filament offers a perfect combination of reliability, user-friendliness, and impressive outcomes, making it an excellent option for those embarking on their 3D printing journey. The element of this PLA filament is its meticulously controlled filament diameter, measuring 1.75 millimeters +/0.03 millimeters. This filament ensures precise and consistent extrusion, resulting in smooth prints and minimizing the occurrence of clogs or uneven prints that often frustrate beginners. It is compatible with various 3D printers, including popular models like the Creality Ender 3, Anycubic, Prusa, FlashForge, and Monoprice. The recommended nozzle temperature range for optimal performance is 205–225 degrees Celsius, which allows for quick and easy printing without hassle. The 200-gram spool is an ideal choice for beginners. It offers the perfect amount of material for a variety of projects without the need for a large spool commitment. Moreover, it is vacuum sealed and equipped with a desiccant to ensure the preservation of its quality. Each package includes vibrant sample colors such as blue, green, orange, and red, adding a touch of excitement and creativity to your 3D printing endeavors. This makes it an excellent option for those wishing to explore various hues and experiment with their projects. If you're interested in this 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best 3D printer filaments for beginners in 2024, You now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these filaments. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.